Ahanya, what we did last time? Ahanya, I can't hear you. Ahanya, I can't hear you. Right, Kemetma, can you go ahead what we did last time? Kemetma?
Problems in operating system.
Right, so what we did in the problems in operating system? That is a topic. So under topic, what we did? Bashwara?
Slow in computer, not responding to the user.
Uh-huh.
Display in the blank desktop.
Yes.
Irresponding taskbar.
So these are the problem raised because of the operating system. Yes. Then after that, we discussed what are the solution for that also. Uh, Prabhashara, can you tell me some solution for those problems? Prabhashara? Chitila, can you tell me? Chitila, can you tell me some solution for those operating system problem?
Which one, sir?
What are the solution we got for the problems created by the operating system?
Close unnecessary application programs.
Then for what? What we can do with that?
um,
Those unnecessary programs and problem, what we are do?
Running at start up of the computer.
Right. So then what we can do? What are the solution? I'm asking what are the solution for those problem?
Mm.
මේකොල්ලෝ පාරං බලන්න නැද්ද පුතේ බලලන් ඉන්න එපා මං කියලා තියෙනවානේ මෙතුලේ can you tell me what are the problems created by the operating systems and let me know some solution for that. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
All right. So what we did was last time is second lesson, as Sadev said. So where we studied the troubleshooting. So troubleshooting means solving the problem. So where we have studied in main two troubleshooting is that software troubleshooting and the hardware troubleshooting. So we studied what is hardware troubleshooting, and that means what are the problems created by the hardware, and so what are the solutions that we are going to give for those problems, right? Then after that we studied the software troubleshooting. In the software troubleshooting there are again two types, that is called operating system and the packages, no? So that means the applications. So then we did the applications of troubleshootings. We did what are the problems faced because of the application software, and then how we are going to solve those problems. Then after that we just went to the uh, we were discussing about the hardware software troubleshooting, then application software. Right. So is there any problem with that? Do you have any questions on that? So have you finished everything?
Yes, sir, we finished
Yes,
everything.
sir.
Finished all, right? Then shall we go ahead with the activity? So can you open your all activity book? In activity book, so we have to go ahead with the activity 2 point. These are not activity, actually we have to do practically, no? Those are things. There is Puta, here you have in page number 8 or 7, 8, starting from 8. So you are given here how to do the search. If there is any file, how you are going to search that file. So there are steps that you have to follow. Can you go ahead with this, following those steps, and then find something that in the computer? Example, it's given here is the extension docs. So docs are given here. So when you search it the docs, then all the files will be shown here. So can you go ahead with that first? Right, searching a file, how to search a file, that's what you are going to do now, learn. After doing that, we'll have to go to the page number 10. There is a spaces that are been here, so you have to fill by using the correct word or word phrases in the box. So the box are given here. In the box there are some words, so you have to select the suitable words for the spaces given below. Okay, can you go ahead with that? First of all, we just do the practical now, right? How to search a file. File या search करने को मिलता है, practically कर लें. So if you have any questions, any problem, let me know. Don't keep quiet. So we'll discuss then.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Did you call me?
No, no, no.
But then it says you called me.
Sorry.
It says you called me.
Uh, no. Sometimes miss call maybe.
Okay, sir.
Maybe mistakenly went. I think. I don't know. I didn't call you.
Okay, sir. So we should fill in these blanks, right? After doing the practical.
Yes, of course, you have to do.
Okay.
Finish or not yet? All right, okay. Go ahead, Kenneth, no problem.
Excuse me, sir.
Oh, Nandini.
I join now. What are you doing?
Uh, I asked to do the activities, practical activities in the lesson activity book. But then after that, I asked to do this in lesson number, sorry, page number 10. There are spaces to fill. So by after reading this box, you have to fill them. So can you go ahead with that, and then we will discuss with that. Anya,
Okay,
you
sir.
are
Thank
there?
you.
Right, finish. Sadhdev, finish or no?
No, sir, not yet.
All right.
Okay, sir, I'm done.
Okay. So by this time others also must finished. But anyway, take 1 minute time and finish it or I think that will be enough time, no? මෙතුලේ ඔයාගේ background camera blur වෙලා තියෙන්නේ. Sometimes I can't see you properly. Now it's okay. Right, Doug, finish or not yet, Doug?
Finish.
So why can't you say finish then? Dion? Dion, is it finished? Kemetma, finish or not yet?
Sir, I'm in the 8th question.
8? Nah, make it quick, right? Okay, Mithuli, finish? Mithuli?
No, sir.
Right. Nayanandini?
No, sir.
ඉක්මන් කරන්න. එතකොට ප්‍රභාස්වර ඉවරද? ප්‍රභාස්වර ඔයාගේ ඇහෙන්නෙත් නෑ ඔළුව ඔක පාත් කරන්න තා ඔයා පේන්නේ. මට ඔයාගේ වහලේ පේන්නේ. right. Sayuri, හරිද?
Finish.
Okay. I'll give another 1 minute time because some of them are still writing. So after 1 minute time, we will start discussing. මේ ලස්සන කුල්ලයන්ද? පුතා ලස්සන කුල්ලයන්ද? Okay, go ahead. Right, I think enough time. Uh, right, first one is, right, complete the problem faced by with the use of computers are histonak and histonak. So what is the answer? The common problems faced with the use of computers are, so what are those
ha-
two?
hardware defects and software defects.
Very good. Hardware defects and software defects. That is the answer. Okay. Second one. Inactive spaces and spaces are hardware problem. Inactive spaces and spaces are hardware problem. So what is that?
Mouse and
Keyboard and
keyboard.
mouse.
Mouse and keyboard.
Keyboard and
Mouse.
mouse.
Yes, keyboard and mouse, or mouse and keyboard both are correct. Both are correct. It is essential to blank when checking cables connected to the computer. It is essential to huh?
Disconnect power supply.
Disconnect server. It is essential to disconnect power supply when checking the cable connected to the computer. Okay, right. Dion, what happened? Sit down, sit down. I will give chance for you to dance. Still not now, right? Dion, I will give some time for you to dance, right? Not now, huh?
Oh, okay, sir.
Okay. So number 4, to connect keyboards and mouse, blank port or blank port can be used. So what are those?
PS2
PS1
and
USB.
USB port and PS2.
Yes,
PS2 and
PS2
USB.
port, USB port, or USB port, PS2 port. Doesn't matter either way. Those are correct, right? Either way is correct, right? RJ45 cable is connected to the blank port of a blank. RJ
RG45 computer.
RJ45.
RJ45 of a computer. Okay, motherboard කියලා නෑ නේද? නෑ, of a
No, sir.
yes, so of a computer, right? RJ45 of a computer. So number 6, blank cable are used to
Excuse me,
connect
sir.
the, yes.
Sir, fifth දෙකට answers දෙකක් ඉන්න ඕනේ. ඒ දෙක මොනවද?
ඒක තමයි. RJ45 cable is connected to
RJ45 port.
Computer.
RJ45 port of a computer.
RG45 port of a
Of a
computer.
computer. Of a computer. Number 6, blank cable are used to connect television to the computer.
HDMI.
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 Yes, very good. HDMI. HDMI. කැමතිම HDMI කියන්නේ මොකද්ද පුතේ? මන්න මේ ටොක් එක වුණා මේක දිගේ ඈ. හරිද? මෙතුලි මොකද්ද HDMI කියන්නේ? මෙතුලි මොකෝ? HDMI කියන්නේ මොකද්ද කියලා මම කො ලියාගන්නකෝ වෙනම නයනාන්දනි. HDMI කියන්නේ
High definition media interface.
multimedia interface. High definition multimedia interface, right? Okay. Number 7, the basic solution to the computer problem is in a computer is to blank the computer.
Restart.
Restart the computer.
Start.
Restart the computer. Some hardware connected to computer may not finished because blank is not installed properly.
Application software.
Application software. Is there any word called driver? No drivers, no?
Driver software.
Is there any problem called driver?
Driver software.
Yes, it should be driver software. Check whether that yeah, it is there. Here driver software. So it should be here driver software. Okay. Lack of space in the blank. Slow down the computer. Slow down the computer.
Main storage.
What?
Main storage.
Yes, lack of spaces in the main storage. Slow down the computer. That's correct. Next one, number 10. To make a computer run more efficiently, it is needed to blank unnecessary software.
Uninstall.
Uninstall.
Install.
Uninstall. So it should be uninstalled, right? Okay. So now the 2.4. Can you go ahead with that 2.4? Fill in the blanks.
So I already did it.
Right. Others also let do it. അടുത്ത പുസ്തകമുള്ളൂ finish or not yet?
Finish, sir.
Finish, sir.
Right. Okay, then we'll see. Next one is that DVI. What is the number that we have to come? DVI.
K.
Huh?
K.
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 K. DVI is, wait, we'll see. Yes, DVI is K. Right? DVI is K. Next one. SD card.
J.
J.
SD card is, yes, J. Correct. And HDMI.
F.
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 HDMI is F. eSATA.
B.
B.
eSATA.
B.
Yes, B. eSATA is B. eSATA කියලා පොට් එකක් තියෙනවා. ඊළඟට parallel port
A.
A.
A. Right. Parallel port is A. VGA.
C.
C.
C. VGA is C. Micro USB port.
H.
I.
Micro USB port is I. Then after micro RJ45.
G. D.
RJ45. Wait. Yes,
D.
G. RJ45 is G. Next one is HDMI port, audio port.
E.
Huh?
E.
E. Audio port E. ඊළඟට display port
H.
H. PS2 port
L.
L. PS2 port L. USB port
D.
D for donkey. D, right? දැයි මං හිතන්නේ ඔක්කොම වගේ හරි ඇති මං හිතන්නේ නේද? Right. 2.5 also you can correct now. You can go ahead with that. 2.5. 2.5.
Done, sir. Yes, sir.
Dion finish. පහන්නේ ඔයාගේ යාළුවා නෑනේ. හරි නේද? right. අපි එනම් බලමුද?
ඉල්ලේ සර්. නෑ.
ටක් කරලා ගන්න. හරිනේ ඇති කාලේ මං හිතන්නේ අපි බලමු සාකච්ඡා කර යමු පාඩේ ඉඳලා. Select the correct answer from the multiple answer given and underline it. එතන අපිට දීලා තියෙන වලින් ඒක හරියකට අන්ඩර්ලයින් කරන්නයි තියෙන්නේ. What are the two main problems that might face when using the computer? When using the computer, what are the two main problem can raise? So that's what asking.
Hardware and software problem.
Hardware and software problem.
Yes, number C, hardware and software
Hardware and software
problem.
problem.
Yes, very good. Okay, number 2. So, which is an example for an example hardware problem? Which is an example for
Mouse
a
does
simple
not work.
hardware
Mouse
problem?
does not work. Number B.
Mouse does not work.
Yes, number D, mouse does not work. A computer fails to connect to the network when it has
All the faults given above.
All the
Faults given
faults
above.
given above.
or a software problem if it is there, computer is not working properly. A hardware problem if it is there, it's not working properly. If there is a computer virus, of course it's not working properly. Then the all three are problems, right? False. Therefore, it's not working. Therefore, the number 4, D is the answer. No, D is the answer. Right. Question number 4. You need to check on a power supply to a computer when it fails to start. So when the computer starts not starting, it fails. In such situation, what you need to do first is to fix the problem cable. Is it correct? Number A is correct?
Wrong, sir.
Wrong.
No.
Number D, check the power cable to the UPS. Is it correct?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
No. Disconnect power from the main supply. Is it correct?
Disconnect power from the main socket.
Yes, that is the Puta correct
Yes,
answer.
sir.
Yes, C is the correct answer. You know, before do anything with the power cable, power connections, first you have to disconnect the power cable. Right? Otherwise, if there is power comes, then you will get shock on that. Which device of the following following cannot be connected to the computer using USB port? Printer. Can you connect the printer using USB port? Yes, we can connect using the scanner. Yes. Keyboard. Yes. Then you cannot do display screen. So the answer is B, display screen. Answer is B, display screen. Number 6. The most suitable port to connect television to the computer is television to the computer is right. What is that? USB. Are we using the USB to connect the computer to television?
No, sir.
DVI? No.
Sir.
eSATA?
No, sir. No, sir.
So
No,
HDMI?
yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
HTML.
Yes. The answer is D, HDMI. High definition multimedia interface. Right. Number 7. Number 7. The port to which the monitor cannot be connected is the port to which monitor cannot be connected is Mogad. Answer?
USB.
Answer B, USB. DVI එකටත් පුළුවන් මෝටර් කනෙක්ට් කරන්න, VG එකටත් පුළුවන්, HDMI එකටත් පුළුවන්, USB එකට තමයි පුතේ බැරි. එහෙනම් උත්තරේ USB. ඒකම පුතා ඉතින් ඉස්සර ප්‍රශ්නෙත් අහලා තිබුණානේ ඒ වගේම. ඒකම තමයි පොඩ්ඩක් අර ස්වරූපය වෙනස් කරලා අහලා තිබුණා නේ. හරි? Number 8. You cannot open the spreadsheet software up into your computer. So you can't open the spreadsheet software in your computer. The reason may be එකට හේතුව වෙන්න පුළුවන් an active virus. Yes or no?
Could be.
Could be. Could be. Yeah. The corrupted spreadsheet software. Yes or no?
Yes, could be.
Yes, it could
Yes,
be.
sir.
Yeah. Expiry of the trial versions. Yes, that also can happen. That also can happen due to one of the reasons given above. So answer should be what? D.
Fourth
Answer
one.
should be D.
D.
Due to one of that. That means one of the above can be happen not to work the spreadsheet. No. So that's the answer, right? D. D is the answer. Okay. Okay. So number 8 is due to one of the above reasons. So D is the one, right? Number 9. Which of the following devices uses the eSATA port? eSATA port එකට connect කරපු device
External
මොකක්ද?
storage device.
Yeah,
External
external.
student.
Yeah, that's the correct one. External storage device. Number D is the answer. Right. The last question. In the
D.
past, many devices were connected to the computer using ports which was unique to the device. However, with the advancement of the technology, advance of the technology, there are modern connect computer which is a common not to which many devices can be connected. This port is known as මොකක්ද? Oh, thank you.
USB.
USB. ඒ කියන්න පුතේ මොකක්ද දන්නද ඔයගොල්ලෝ කියන්න දන්නේ ඔය ප්‍රශ්නේ? ඉස්සර කාලේ අපි කම්පියුටරේ පෝට් එකට කනෙක්ට් කරද්දී අපිට දැන් කීබෝඩ් එක නම් කීබෝඩ් පෝට් එක විතරයි නේ මොකක්වත් කනෙක්ට් කරන්න බෑ ඒක. ඊළඟට printer එක නම් printer පෝට් එක විතරයි. right? නමුත් දැන් අද වර්තමාන කාලේ USB වලින් එනවා හැම device එකක්ම. එතකොට අපිට ඒ USB print එක වෙන්න පුළුවන්, keyboard එක වෙන්න පුළුවන්, ඒ ඕනම device එකක් අපිට connect කරන්න පුළුවන් USB එක හරහා. ඒකයි මේ කියන්නේ. ඇයි ඒ? ඒක එහෙම වෙන්න හේතුව. ඉස්සර කාලේ device නම් connect කරන්න ඉස්සෙල්ලා machine එක off කරලා connect කරලා machine එක on කරන්න ඕනේ. දැන් අර USB එක නිසා machine එක off කරන්න on එක ඉතිද්දිම ගහලා වැඩ කරගෙන යන්න පුළුවන්. ඒකයි වාසිය. ඒකයි මේ ප්‍රශ්නේ අහන්නේ 10 වෙනි ප්‍රශ්නේ. So can you understand what I said in the lesson question number 10? It tells us what? It tells us that presently we are using USB because we no need to shut down the computer and before connecting the device. First thing. Second thing is it's very fast. Right? Very fast excessive speed there. Therefore, we used many devices with the USB connections. Right? So the answer is here number 10 is USB, the D. Right? USB.
X is missing.
Yes.
So what is the answer for fifth one?
Answer for
Fifth answer.
fifth one, fourth, fifth. So which
B.
device is of the following cannot be connected to the computer using USB port? Right. USB port භාවිත කරලා computer connect කරන්න බැරි device එක මොකක්ද කියලා අහනවා. අපිට print එක පුළුවන්, scan එක පුළුවන්, keyboard එක පුළුවන්, display screen එක තමයි බැරි. Number B, display screen. Right?
Okay.
So any other questions on that? Right. Now what we have to do is put the lesson number 1 and lesson number 2 we already finished now at this moment. So you are already now ready for the first term test. Right. So all of you are here is okay with the first term test. So the next week what I want to do with you is to go revision and to have many discussion on the first lesson and the second lesson, right? So before we go to that, I want to know whether do you have any other questions today before we stop the lessons about the lesson number 1 and lesson number 2. And each lessons you are given in the beginning of the lessons you are given a target, no? Have you given a target? Yes or no? Huh? දීලා තියෙනවද නැද්ද? Go and check with the your beginning of the lesson. Just go to the beginning of the lesson where you get the heading. මාතෘකාව දෙන්න යන්න බලන්න.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, still not even one IT period in our school. They haven't taught us IT.
So what is that school?
Sir, අපේ ITS වල මොකක් වෙලාද මන්ද sir? ජීවිතේට මං තිරෙන්නේ.
මං හිතන්නේ එයා වෙන වෙන වැඩ කර කර ඉන්නවා ඇති.
7 වසරේ sir එකම ITS වල හිටියේ.
ඔව්.
ගොඩක් වෙලාවට පන්ති තිරෙනවා sir දැන් තමයි එන්නෙත් එහෙ.
නෑ එයාට තාම මොන හරි වැඩි වෙලා ඇති පටවල ඇති ප්‍රින්සිපල් මොන හරි ඒ නිසා ඔයගොල්ලන්ගේ පාර්ටිය කට් කරලා ඒ වැඩ කරනවා ඇති ඒකයි වෙන්නේ හේතුව.
හොඳ වෙලාවට මේ IT නැත්නම් මේ first term exam කරා නැත්නම් ඉතින් 3 marks දෙන්න එනවා.
ඔව් ඒක තමයි. දැන් අපේ ඉස්කෝලේ දැන් සාමාන්‍ය පුතා ඉස්කෝලවල රජයේ ඉස්කෝලවල මේ from the 9 to 6 to 9 there is no exams, but each school they are conducting the exams. අපේ ඉස්කෝලේත් අපිට නෑ අපි මම පේපර් හදාන්නේ. පේපර් හදලා දෙනවා. ඒ වගේ ගොඩක් ස්කෝල්වල එහෙමයි ගුරුවරු තමයි පේපර් හදන්නේ. right? සාමාන්‍යයෙන් කලාපෙන් මෙහින් දෙන්නේ නෑ. ඒ වගේම අර අපිට එවනවනේ මේ කලාපෙන් අපිට එවන ටයිම් ටේබල් එකක්. In that timetable there is no IT allocated also. No time slot allocated for the ICT. So what we do is we are finding somewhere else 1 or 2 hour and we insert that one and we are making paper and then we give to the students to evaluate what we did. Right? So that's how we are going to do. ඒක අපි සාමාන්‍යයෙන් කරන්නේ එහෙමයි. IT වලටයි මං හිතන්නේ 6 7 වල PTS උත් නැහැ. මං හිතන්නේ. කෙසේ වෙතත් අපි පුතේ ඔය පාඩම් එකට එකක් බැඳිලා තියෙන්නේ. ඒ නිසා අපි හොඳට කරන්න ඕනේ. right? කොහොමත් මමත් ඔයගොල්ලන්ට පොඩි පේපරයක් හදලා දෙනවා. right? So even though you had exam in the school or not doesn't matter. So I am also preparing a small paper. Right? It can be online based or the physical based, doesn't matter. So I also make evaluating because I have taught you, know. So I have to check whether you understood or not. Therefore, I will give a small paper to you, right, to evaluate whether you are okay with the lessons or not. Right?
IT exam එක තමයි sir මේ ඉස්කෝලේ ලේසිම exam එක. IT exam එකෙන් 60% හම්බෙනා practical එකට sir. 7 වසරේදී sir අපිට කිව්වා essay එකක් ලියන්න computers වල හොඳකම ගැන. ඒක ඉතින් මේ ගොඩක් ළමයි AI දාලා print out කරලා sir දුන්නා.
ඒ කියන්නේ මේ ඒගොල්ලෝ කරේ AI එකෙන් එන උත්තර ටික එක print කරලා ගෙනත් දුන්නා.
ඔව්. මාත් එහෙම තමයි කරේ ඉතින්.
practical එකයි ගන්නේ.
ලකුණු වැඩෙන් මම ඉලේ හම්බුනේ.
ඒ මාරියන්නේ නෑනේ පුතා නේද? ඒකට අපි මේ පාඩමක් ගණගෙන ඒක ඒ වචන ටික දැන් අපි මේ concept එක තියන්නේ පෙරගත ටික. ඔය ඔක්කොම අපි ගණගෙන ඒව පාඩම් කරලා ඊට පස්සේ ඒව තැන් තැන් වලින් ප්‍රශ්න අහලා ඔකට තේරෙනවද කියලා බලන්න අපි එහෙම එකක් කරන්න ඕනේ. So I will do that one either don't worry about your schools, right? So we will do it. අපි කරනවා ඒක බෑ ඉන්න පා. හොඳයි වෙන මොනවාරි අහන්න තියෙනවද? දැන් මම කිය හිටියේ පුතේ මට කියන්න උවමනාවක් තිබුණේ බලන්න ඔයගොල්ලන්ගේ හැම ලෙසන් එකක්ම පටන් ගද්දී ලෙසන් එකේ තියෙනවා මෙන්න මේ මම පෙන්නන්න ඔයගොල්ලන්ට බලන්න මගේ මේ ස්ක්‍රීන් එකදී right ඒ බලන්න second lesson එක right configuring and formatting a computer. So you are given here highlighted box and in that there is some lesson target, right? What is the lesson target? So sorry, this is a activity book, no? Just go ahead with your reading book. Sorry, go to the reading book, right? I was showing you the activity book. What is the lesson that we did the activity? Let me know. Let me show the beginning of the. Go to the beginning of the lesson. දැන් බලන්න මෙතන තියෙනවා here configuring and formatting computer. So lesson number 2. In that you are given highlighted box and within that there are some points. So what is the point? This chapter will cover the following. මේ පාඩම මේ පල්ලෙහා කියන points cover කරනවා. Format date, time zone and time currency. දැන් අපි මේවා කළා. කොහොමද format කරලා date එක ගන්නෙ, time එක ගන්නෙ වෙනස් කරා. So are you okay with that? You have to think like this, right? So I can do it or not. If you can't do it, then we have to find out why, where, and then we have to discuss, right? So this is what we are going to learn. So here the target is there. We are learning. After learning all the lessons, then again we have to feedback and we have to see whether we understood or not. File attribution and configurations, and then the file searching. How we are going to search a file. Hardware troubleshooting and software troubleshootings. So these are the things that we are going to learn in this chapter. So now we have finished it. Now you have to check whether are you understand those or not. Can you do them or not? So you have to think by yourself. If you can't do that means then again we have to go back to the lesson and we have to understand why we can't do. What happened to that? Right? Then we have to again go to the lesson and we have to discuss again. Clear? තේරෙනවද ඔයගොල්ලන්ට කියන එක? ඒ වගේ first lesson එකයි second lesson එක ඔයගොල්ලෝ පොඩ්ඩක් බලලා ready වෙලා අඩුපාඩු තියෙනවා නම් අහගෙන ඊළඟ දවසේ අපි ready වෙලා කරමු. Okay? So I will stop it for the day and next week we are going to revise them, first lesson then the second lesson with some questions and all we will discuss it. හරි නේද? ගැටලු මොකුත් නැහැනේ. එහෙනම් අපි අද නතර කරමු නේද? මිතුලි මොකද කියන්නේ මිතුලි? මිතුලි. හරි. Right. Let me okay?
Okay.
Right. එහෙනම් ප්‍රභාෂර අපි අද නතර කරමු. Next week we will again join it, right? Right, okay. එහෙනම් God bless you, Busana everybody. Right?
Goodbye, sir.
Goodbye.
God bless you, sir.
bless
Goodbye.
you.
Thank you, sir. God bless
Okay,
you,
God
sir.
goodbye.
bless
Have a
Wish
nice
you
day, sir. Goodbye, sir.
goodbye.